Hello everyone. So today I am super excited as I will be sharing with you 4 secret keywords for texture background in Canva, and you can use it for all your designs or your project, and you can find all of them in the Canva website or the Canva app wherever you use it. Okay, so let's start with it. So the first keyword is futuristic sci-fi background. Those who are not accommodated with the sci-fi work, it is the short form of science fiction. Okay, so let's try Instagram post for example, because it would be easier for me to show this. You can use it on any frame, any mode, or any type of social media designs, anything. Okay, so where you will find it, so you will just come in photos and type in here. Okay, as you can see, here are all the backgrounds which are available and you can use it. As you can see, all are related to the science fiction world or science fiction theme, and you can use it. You can also try to see if it works in the elements. As you can see, if you place it in elements, you can also find some elements or like scenery which are present in the element section. You can find it in graphics. For photos, here you can find it here directly, which are present in here. Okay, and you can also find the videos, you can use it. So as you can see, all of them are in pro section. So if you don't have a pro account, you can't access any of them, and after getting the pro account, you can access any of them and use it for your project and designs. Okay, so it's time to move to the next keyword. Let's do it. Next one is to find the smoke background theme. So for this, there is no keyword, it's a set to be precise, and I am typing in set in here. Okay, and just give a click, and as you can see, you can find all the smoke background images in here. Okay, so again you can find all of them in pro section, and nothing will be available in the free section, as you can see. So one thing I want to show here, as you can go to the edit image. Okay, just scroll down till you find this duotone, click on it, and as you can see, you can change it to any color you want. For example, if you want something in fuchsia color, you can try for it. And you can also work on this highlights and shadows to change the color. For example, let me try something in orange, and this one, let's bring it to violet, and as you can see, it changed the color. Now to decrease the intensity, you can do something like this and click on apply, and you will get a new shade, totally new shade for your design, and you can use it. Okay, so this is a creation you can do. Some changes and modifications on the background you can try for yourself. You can anyway try and see what is working for your project or for your design, and would do it accordingly. Okay, so I am deleting it for now. Okay, so let's move to the third keyword. Okay, so the third keyword is diagonal geometric stripe background. Okay, So just copy it and like paste it here, and as you can see, you can find all this here. You can find in the photo section all the backgrounds here. So this is quite cool to use it, and the textures are super attractive. And if you are making a flyer or something like a Facebook or YouTube thumbnail, so I think it works great when you are using a geometry stripe background, and is very good to use it. So you can use this. You can also use this for any of your designs, but I have in my work I have seen that it works great for this flyers and YouTube thumbnail designs. Okay, so let's move to the last keyword for this video, and I'm sure you will like this one too. So this is this low poly pattern background. Okay, so just I'm copying and pasting it here. Okay, so when I paste it here, I will find some elements which I can use, which are available, and for the backgrounds we will go to photos, and you can find all these cool textures here, and you can use it for your own designs. So I hope you like this tutorial and all the keywords which I shared in this design, and hope to get some feedback from your side about which keyword you like the most and which background design you want to add in here in this list, so that I can make another video for you.